Introducing Harrington Housing Addison Residence, your new home away from home. Offering a range of non-ensuite rooms, this home has everything you need. It provides privacy while fostering a sense of companionship. Within the rooms, you'll find amenities like a TV for streaming your favorite shows, allowing for relaxation with a comfortable bed. The spacious rooms offer ample storage for items from your shopping sprees. In the communal area, you'll find convenient appliances such as an oven, cooktop, mini fridge, and dishwasher to simplify your daily life. After your classes, you can unwind on the terrace, enjoying music and a glass of wine, or opt for a workout session in the gym to stay active. Considering the close proximity to Cambridge College and Hope Business School, Addison Residence proves to be an excellent housing option. You have the convenience of grabbing dinner at Brinkley's Restaurant and Pub, or enjoying with friends at Renegade's Pub. During weekends, exploring Harvard Square is easy by taking a bus from the nearby Addison St bus stop. To make this lovely place your new home in Boston, book via amberstudent.com and embark on the journey towards your dream lifestyle.